Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Diototayo wey dey bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbes mona gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. Today we wan talk about the Accountant General of Federation of Nigeria wey dem dey call Ahmed Idris, when him come out come face the Nigeria Senate Committee for the investigation of loot money when they return to the state on Tuesday wey be 25th of May 2021. So na the money when the United Kingdom return to the federal government of Nigeria. For there na the court ask the Accountant General say the money when they return, so how federal government do am. Him come reply say the money don go back to their state. They don pay the money to the state wey e belong. The court answer say what about the money when Ibori loot to UK, whether they don return am. Him come say yes, the money don dey pay to the Delta State account. He come assure the Senate Committee say any money wey dem dey recover dey go back to their state when they belong. Say the state governors dem no go allow the money to enter another place. The governors of the state go take the federal government to court because of the money. So they don pay the Delta State their money. Story no dey finish my people when e come to money. So the chief press secretary to Delta State government wey dem dey call Olise Ife-Yinka don come out on Wednesday wey be 26th of May 2021. Him come talk say the truth be say the money no reach anywhere near Delta State government account. Then they sef dey see am yesterday for news like the way every other Nigerians see am when the Accountant General dey talk before the House of Reps committee, and they believe say the money go come Delta State. Olisa say make Nigerians no dey worry. If Delta State receive the money, they go let every Nigerians know. So federal government of Nigeria mona return people money to them. I tell una say these people na very confusing people. You come here come tell us say you don return people money to them, whereas you no do anything like that. Na so they take dey squander all the whole money when people loot when other countries dey return to Nigeria. You no dey see wetin dey use dem do. They no dey return dem go the state. They go write for paper say they don return dem. See am now, if they no do this one public na nobody go know. E go tell House of Reps say they don return the money, whereas nobody know concern am. Upon all the whole statement wey that man don make, they still leave am for there. They suppose remove that man from that position. But based on say all of them are best of the same feather, they can never do anything concern am. This thing wey dey happen for this country, so as a government leader you fit try am for another country? You no fit. So federal government of Nigeria return people money. The one una don share among una sef don reach. Mona let the state wey get the money still hand over their money. So my people, now say ma do wetin come let una know. Let's go straight to our second news for today. This country na so different things na dey happen. The whole people wey dey on top, they just be like say people wey don quarrel before na they just put for position. The Consul General of Nigeria wey dey for South Africa wey dem dey call Abdulmalik Ahmed come talk for press comment because Nigerians wey dey for South Africa dey accuse am say he dey extort money from them because of passport. He come talk for the press comment say Nigerians wey lost their passport come dey apply for another one, dem be criminal element. Imagine who be representative of Nigerians for South Africa. Very shocking statement. He just dey form allegations for Nigerians head for South Africa. You go pay extra money apart from the fees wey they require for the passport, because e don put crime for every Nigerians wey dey for South Africa. say all the agent na him friend, so if you no pay the money wey him put, no passport for you. Imagine wetin dey happen. You go wait for passport 4 months, you never get your passport when you apply for. A lot of people here dey experience am. Some dey go even apply, pay money, passport no go reach their hand, they go still pay another money to apply again. Now all of them wey dey represent Nigeria for different country, they get different agenda to collect money from people. If your passport lost, your own don finish. They go use your eye to see something before you go fit get another one. For European country, if you lost any of your document wey they give you, go meet them, tell them say you lost your document, apply again. You no go waste time, they don give you again, because they know say that document dey very important. Without am, you no go fit do a lot of things. But lost your Nigeria passport, you come dey regret why you even get am for the first place. You can't go lost am. Better say you never get at all, you just newly wan apply. So Nigerians wey dey South Africa dey beg Ahmed make he remove all those money wey dey extort from there. They no be criminal. Every Nigerian in South Africa no fit be criminal, so abeg make he remove that name of criminal to dey extort money because they lost their passport from their head. They no want am. Make federal government call their consult general to order to stop collecting money from Nigerians in South Africa. If your passport lost, you pay the fees to apply for another one. No be say you go charge them extra money again. So make Nigeria federal government look to the case. God no go shame all of us. Now I say ma do wetin, come let una know my people. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.